If Tinfoil keeps getting stuck on a file system check loop and never loads properly, yeah, that's a common but fixable issue. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, fully power off your console. Don't use sleep mode. Turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and relaunch Tinfoil. This issue is usually caused by SD card corruption. Remove your SD card and connect it to a PC. Run a disk, error check to scan and repair any problems. If the problem continues, back up your files and reformat the SD card to FAT32. Next, delete the Tinfoil cache folder inside the SD card. Corrupted cache files can cause the file system loop. If you're using custom firmware, make sure it's fully updated along with SIG patches, and if nothing works, delete Tinfoil and install a fresh copy. Follow these steps and the file system check loop should be fixed.